Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about Cardano coin. Now, since a recent dip that we had, which was like almost 40%, not even almost, it was 40% basically, with a single daily candle, which although got like recovered pretty fast, but since then we had some kind of pressure from the sellers. Now, what's interesting here is we actually broke down from the 200 EMA, so we had a breakdown. And then with pressure from the sellers, we are right now seeing the price again below 200 EMA, which might be crucial for Cardano coin. Now, if we don't see any kind of recovery from the buyers or any volume from the buyers on the Cardano coin, then there's a chance of seeing price to reach as low as, let me get some horizontal lines. So this zone and this zone, and also this zone and this zone. So two possible movements to happen on the Cardano coin. Now, this will happen only if we see like additional 1 to 2 days below 200 EMA, which would indicate to a possible further like pressure from the sellers. On the other hand, if we go on the smaller time frames, let me remove this one. What we see is slightly different thing now. Although we are still below this 200 EMA and we see the pressure of it, there is a really big CMA gap here, which might be acting as a magnet. So this is the zone that we should keep an eye on. So it's like basically 0.40, not 40, $95. So let's put it at 5 like this and like this. So this is the zone that everyone should be keeping an eye on. So 0.95. Now, in a bullish scenario, we would look for a bullish outcome only once we see a proper breakout from this 200 EMA. Now, we haven't had any proper breakouts since this like downward moment here, but if we see some kind of, again, a breakout here, so retest, then this would be a buying opportunity for us because this might indicate a potential switch of trend. And of course, the first target would be the CMA gap here. So it would result in a possible 20% of market price movement, and stop loss should be closer to the 100 EMA here. So let's move this one here. We are currently slightly below it. Now, the second scenario is if we see a price to break local lows here, which would result in a break of structure, and of course a steep movement to lower zones, not long, short position. And again, stop loss should be closer to this 100 EMA, maybe even be in between the 200 and 100 EMAs. And target should be this zone here, ideally even like this line here. So 0.50%, which is pretty mad actually. Risk and reward ratio for the both trades, this one is like 1 to 2, and this one is basically 1 to 2.5, something like this. So definitely some potential to make some money here. So let's see which way we are going to go. We are going to long once again only if we see the 200 EMA being broken, or we're going short only if we see this zone to be broken and of course retested successfully. As of now, there is a chance of seeing some kind of recovery. So we see buyers are slowly taking over here, and this is pretty healthy takeover as well. We see sellers dominance failed, and now buyers are still pushing up. So without extending this video much longer, I always trade safe, don't FOMO, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.